in the last 10 years of being here in the world is that I saw all the people bringing in one event like this.
Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin and si Chris at ito ang aming Simple Life. Note at comment down below. Please share and like this video.
Good morning, guys! Welcome to another special episode of the JK Vlogs. So yesterday was Judy's meet and greet, and today is just regular day where I do wifey duties. Duties? First agenda, laundry. Second agenda, more laundry. Once wifey duties are done, eto na tayo. Beauty vlogger duties. Remember I made this post on Facebook asking you guys na kung saan maganda mag-date kasi si Jassy sabi niya sa akin, nag-resign ka na nga, or mali. Kung kailan ka nag-resign, doon ka nawala ng time. So, parang na-stuck sa isip at sa puso ko yung sinabi ni Jassy. Oo nga, no? But parang the more na wala na akong day job, di ba dapat may dahilan nga ako to spend time with him kasi hawak ko na yung oras ko, pero hindi pa rin ganun yung nangyayari. Dahil ko pa rin ginagawa. So, we decided, that was Saturday, sabi ko, sige, mag-Divisoria tayo. So, I did a little bit of shopping at Divisoria. I'm going to be featuring that in a haul, or in one of the vlogs, or probably you've seen it before nyo makita tong video na to. But before anything else, we need some fuel. Sorry, makalat ang aking ref. So we're going to have the brekkie from Delicious Diet. I just got a text yesterday or last night telling me that they're going to deliver Delicious Diet meal plans. So ito ang aking first day of trying it out. I'm going to put their links down in the description box, or probably I will flash it around the screen. Anyway, so this is my breakfast. I think this is a mushroom omelet. Does it say kung anong menu? That's it. So, I wish I have a microwave, pero kasi nanay ko hindi naniniwala sa power ng microwave eh. Kaya ayaw niyang bumili ko nun. So, I only have like an oven toaster. So, we're going to toast dish. If I can just find the little metal plate. Okay, there we go. So, just dump the entire thing right there and put it straight in the oven. I really have to follow a strict schedule with my breakfast because I have to drink meds.
Hello guys.
Yun lang. Wala kang sasabihin sa vlog.
Ano na?
Wala kang sasabihin sa vlog.
Bakit kayo Miss Universe? Naman naman kasi.
Breakfast is ready. May muta ba ako? I was gonna say, ito si Justin, basta break time niya, tapos may chance na tumawag na tawag yan, mangungulit lang. Kaya, ayun. Medyo nang sinabi ko na I'm vlogging, nahiya na siya. Kanina nagkukwento siya tungkol sa Miss Universe. Ay, masarap. I'm not a big fan of shiitake mushrooms. Kasi feeling ko alansa-lansa. Pero, they made it work. Let's turn on the television so we can watch Miss Universe. Let's turn this thing on!
Schmidt later on. Let's go, Steve. You can do it. The last remaining contestant to make our final nine.
Wow. Hindi ko alam kung ano nilagay nila doon, pero hindi ko maubos. Busog na ako. Galing ha? Nilagyan ko lang ng konting salt kasi medyo matabang.
You've seen in the world in the last 10 years.
Ano ang pinakamakabuluhang naganap na pangyayaring nakita mo sa mundo sa loob ng 10 taon?
In the last 10 years of being here in the world is that I saw all the people bringing in one event like this in Miss Universe. And it's something big to us that we are one. As one nation, we are all together. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Philippines. Now,
guys,
arguably, no
masasabihin
United
ko doon.
States has had a more active
First time ko nakakita na gumamit ng Pilipinas ng interpreter sa Miss Universe. And we all know, we are all aware na Maxine Medina is trying her very best to speak straight English. And her answer, I'm gonna have to say, it could have been better if it was spoken in Tagalog. Siguro mas magiging maganda kung sinabi niya ng Tagalog. Although, walang problema sa English, pero kasi may dating yung Tagalog na, alam mo yun, mas malalim, more meaningful, kaysa sa ginamit niya mga salita na medyo pumaikot-ikot lang dun sa idea na gusto niya sabihin. Guys, nanalo si Franz! Akala ko talaga si Haiti mananalo. She's so beautiful! Grabe! Ay, lalo si Pia, she's so beautiful din. Nakakainis! Wala yung digital version kasi naglolo ko yung signal. Pero, nasa regular channel tayo ng channel 2. Ayan guys, naka-edit na ako ng 2 vlogs. Habang nagtitiklop ng damit, kinain ko na yung leftover. Tapos ngayon, lunch na tayo. Ito yung lunch, again, from Delicious Diet. So, initin natin to. Ooh! Nanonood ako nung sumayaw, ano yun? Nasaktan Keberlut. Tapos, ito na yung aking lunch. Ininit ko na, hinalo ko na sila lahat dyan. Now, let's do the taste test. Sarap. Napansin ko, medyo slightly matabang siya sa usual na mga kinakain ko. Pero siguro dahil nga diet siya, diba? Grabe guys napansin ko, laging hindi ko kayang ubusin. Ganon ka-heavy yung pine-prepare nila na mga meals. Ang galing. Ay, nakapagsampay din. Tapos na ako magtiklop. And, we have, a bisita. Si Titas of Manila Gel. Tsaka si Koy Jazz.
Koy Jazz.
Wala akong lipstick na. Tapos tayo ngayon ay, ayan. Para naman sa akin, ito ang aking merienda. Kapirasong cupcake at tsaka tsaa. Masarap, in fairness. Dinner time! Ito kakainin natin. Some salad. I'm currently editing my videos right now, but I'm going to be taking a break so I can do a little bit of a skincare kasi baka biglang antokin na ako para diretso tulog na. So, I am on my day 2 using these products that I got from Beauty and Soul. So, they're SK2 products and we're going to apply them on our face. And before I end the vlog, I just want to share with you guys my reaction or my opinion about how Maxine Medina handled the situation earlier during the Q&A of the Miss Universe. I don't know if I'm going to get a lot of hate from this. I think and I believe that she really did try her hardest to answer the question, and I know na it's very nerve-wracking to be standing there and tas number 1 ka pang tinanong, diba? And I also believe that it wasn't a bad performance, pero sa opinion ko, it was just an okay performance, and okay is not gonna give you the crown. You know, I think mas maganda siguro kung ginamit niya yung interpreter na nandun. Kasi having that interpreter there could have bought her time. Di ba nga? Kada question, i-interpret in Tagalog. And also, meron kang time na mas maging coherent, alam mo yon, na mas magkaroon pa ng laman yung sagot. So, all in all, I think she did okay, but it could have been better if na-maximize, na-utilize yung mga resources na nasa harapan niya, kagaya ng interpreter. Yun lang. So, ayun si Justin, nakatulog habang nanonood ng basketball. So, ayan guys, we've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you again on the next vlog.